kat belakang. So dalam keadaan macam ni kita cabut tadi ni datang daripada macam ni kan, betul? Macam ni kan. So push rod akan tekan. Nampak tu sekarang? Apa? So push rod akan tekan yang ni akan tekan ke dalam. Minyak brake tadi dia akan keluar. So piston ni bila kita lepas balik pedal brake, piston ni akan spring ni akan tolak balik piston ke depan.
This is the master cylinder and this is the sensor. And you can see here already rusty condition. And this one is the piston and spring.
Secondary.
Hi, this is Ling. Today I will going to present about the master cylinder part name. Alright, this is the structure of the master cylinder. Firstly, we look at the number 1, the reservoir cover, and second, the reservoir cap, and third is the reservoir seal. This 3 things is used to tighten the reservoir tank to avoid the leakage happen during the driving. And the fourth is the diaphragm, and fifth is the brake fluid level float, and it also is a indicator, something like that. And sixth is the brake fluid sensor is used to detect the level of the brake fluid. If possible, it will send the signal to the dashboard to remind the driver to refill the brake fluid. And 7 is the outlet feeding. 8 is the reservoir tank. Reservoir tank is used to, used to fill up the brake fluid. And number 9 is the grommet. It actually is to avoid the leakage of the brake fluid. And number 10 is the stop pins. 11 is the dust boot, and 12 is the primary piston assembly. Is used to pressurize the brake fluid and transfer to all the brake. And 13 is the secondary piston assembly, and 14 is the cylinder body housings. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Next we go to the next part, condition of master cylinder. So from our lab, we can find several conditions of part in the master cylinder. Okay, first, if have inner surface of master cylinder, the condition is no scratch but a little bit rusty. And then we go to the primary and secondary piston. So the condition of the spring are rusty but still can be used. So next we go to the diaphragm. So the diaphragm is in a good condition. The rubber still elastic and no sign of deterioration. Okay, next we go to the brake booster. So for the brake booster, there are no physical damage occurred and in good condition. And last but not least, the brake fluid sensor. So the condition of the brake fluid sensor was in good condition and can be used. Here we go to the next part, which is the question. Okay, for the question 1, the question is based on your finding. What is the effect of push rod and the length on brake performance? Okay. The function of the push rod and LING brake performance is to overcome unwanted condition during the braking the vehicle. So if the push rod is set too long in the brake pedal, it will become soft and delay when pressing and will cause the brake drag. Okay. Meanwhile, if the push rod is set too short, it can cause anything from excess valve train noise to brake booster. It also can cause damage to brake system. Okay, next we go to the question 2. For the question 2, the question is name the type of brake oil used for your car, and can different type of brake oil be used and why? So the answer is the type of brake oil used for my car, which is product on my wheel, is .3. So there are 3 types of brake oil, which are .3, .4 and .5. Okay, most of the vehicle on the road use .3 and .4 brake oil, but high performance and heavy duty car use .5 brake oil due to its high boiling point. So the next question is, can a different type of brake oil use and why? So the answer is yes, you can use .3 and .4 brake fluid if it is mixed. It is because both of these are glycol-based brake fluid, which is mean that they are compatible with each other. So if your car has .4 from the factory, it is not recommended to fill it with .3. Okay, thank you.
Question number 3. Name hydraulic tubes that connect to master cylinder and where all tubes area are connected. The tubes that are connected to master cylinder is hydraulic lines, hydraulic house. All tubes are connected from master cylinder to combination valve and then metering valve. After that, all brake fluid are transferred to caliper. Question number 4. What is the function of diaphragm? The first function of diaphragm is to expand the DO to the compressed air pressure and operate its cam shoes and thereby the brakes. The second function is to move a piston and pressure rod which transmit the force to the wheel brake.
Hello, so I will tell you about the conclusion. From this experiment, we can conclude that we managed to inspect the condition of master cylinder assembly. We can inspect the inner surface of master cylinder body for rust or pitting. Besides that, we can inspect the primary and secondary pistons for rust, scoring, damage or wear. So, with this inspection, we can identify parts of master cylinder assembly need to be replaced. Last but not least, we succeed name all parts of master cylinder assembly. That is the great knowledge for us doing this lab master cylinder. That's all from us. Thank you.